Sometimes, a high-torque impact wrench is just too much. For those smaller fasteners, there's this M7 impact wrench with a torque range of 80 to 120 feet per pound. Since it's for lighter duty work, it's also very light. At just under 3 pounds, you can work without grip fatigue. And speaking of hands, the Easy 2's R and L knob is right here at the back. This tool also has a window clutch. This internal feature prevents slipping, so don't worry about stripping fasteners. If automotive repair is your thing, this air impact wrench should be too. JB Tools is proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of M7 Air tools. Shop with us and save.